Hi, my name is Tiara Swaby. I'm in the 12th grade and I live in Brooklyn, New York. I was expected to come here, expecting to learn how to advance my study skills. And for me, that was really amazing for me, seeing that I'm now in 12th grade and I'm getting ready to go to college. So that was really important for me. And the next thing is that I'm also taking college courses on Saturdays. So that was really able to help me I was excited to learn how to take notes in my class. This workshop has definitely met and exceeded my expectations. After this workshop, I found myself using different techniques that I did learn in the workshop. Like a big example was Cornell notes that I now use in almost all my classes that I use. I found it very helpful for me. Basically, we were taught how to we got a schedule, and then on one paper we also had a bunch of different activities, and that taught me how to plan out my stuff accordingly to how to meet deadlines, get time in to study, and to make sure I have also time to relax. I found the structure and the pace to be well organized. Everybody learns differently, and I feel like the way that it was taught and everything with the structure and the pace, it was able to accommodate everybody with their different learning styles. This workshop, it has definitely changed my approach to upcoming challenges and projects. It has made me feel more calmer when I'm getting ready to go into these things. You could tell that she knew what she was teaching. You could tell that she was very passionate about what she was teaching. And I like that she made it in a way that everybody was comfortable in the class. She made sure that everybody was actively engaged in the class, everybody participated in the class, and that everybody was able to learn something from the class. Feel like the entire experience was like the best part for me. The thing where the lesson that she taught us where we could like teach our friends about it so it could stick in our memory, that was also very helpful for me because I started doing it. I started teaching my friends like different things that I learned so that it could like stick with me now. So the lessons that came from it was really the best part for me. I definitely will advise the school to have more. I feel like it was very beneficial for me and other students as well. Because yeah, like, after this workshop, I'm using different techniques in my class, and I can see that it's helping me. It's helping the material to stick to my brain.